In this tutorial, you will learn how to prepare the product for use. Install your printer's media handling and connectivity options prior to proceeding to simplify your printer setup experience. Connect the power supply to the printer. Connect the power cord to the power supply. Connect the power cord to an AC power source. Verify the indicator is illuminated. Press and hold the power button until the indicators illuminate. When ready, the status indicator will show green. Open the printer. Verify the media sensors in the correct location for your media. Prepare your supply media. Remove the outside wrap of the media roll to prevent contamination. Place the supply media in the roll holders. Pull the end of the media out the front of the printer. Press the media down under the media guides. Close the printer. The printer will be in pause mode. Press the pause button once to exit pause mode. Press and hold pause and cancel for 2 seconds to calibrate the printer to your media. Tear off the excess media. Press and hold the feed and cancel buttons to print a configuration report. Configuration report. Press and hold the power button until the indicators count down and turn off. With power off, locate the USB interface connector on the rear of the printer. Connect a USB cable as shown. Refer to the setup guide to download and install Zebra setup utilities. The software will prompt you when to switch power on to complete installation.